Hi friends, welcome back. Welcome to Living on the Edge. I'm sharing with you today my comeback to the beautiful Celebrity Beyond. I don't want to show you too much, not behind me, not to the side of me. I'm trying to find this angle where you can see me, but not too much of my room, because this is once again the Sunset Veranda, which is a very, very desirable category of rooms that I really personally enjoy on this ship. So without keeping you any longer waiting, please grab your drink, grab your snack and everything, get comfortable, and let's take a look around this room. Let's go, friends. This is the entrance to this beautiful room 7333 on the beautiful Beyond, Celebrity Beyond. So let's see the plan. We are right now on the back of the ship because it's the Sunset Veranda. It's the very, very back of the ship. As you can see, it's right here on the very, very back. It's the very center. So I will show you in a second what it means. But yes, the very, very back of the ship, room number 7333. Let's turn around. And this is your balcony, Sunset Veranda. Let me, of course, take you around so you can first of all have the whole impression of the room, and then we will see everything it has to provide. Oh, I think you saw this gorgeous balcony, but I will take you there in a few. This is the beautiful Sunset Veranda. I do like, as you probably all know from my previous videos, that almost every room has a little bit different colors. Some of them are yellow, some of them are red accents like this one, some are purple and more. And yeah, this one is very cute. This is the red theming. We have the bed a little bit closer to the entranceway, but in this particular case, I think I actually like it more. So let's explore and see how it looks like. We'll start with this area. As you can see, because this is the Sunset Veranda, it has a little bit more space here, closer to your balcony. This is your, well, I don't know how to call it, the sofa, a day bed. This room can accommodate only two because this is not really a bed as they consider. But yeah. And then across from, of course, the day bed, you have the storage here, which is your... I don't even know how to call it, but we will call it the storage area. So we have three drawers right here, with the first one being the more shallow one right there. Two areas separated for two. And then two additional storage spaces right there, much deeper in size. That's what it is. An identical one, right, additional one underneath. We have, of course, our lamp. We have our ice bucket that you can ask your room attendant to replenish. And of course, where the white area is, this is where you can find your fridge. Now, when we open this one, this fridge is actually pre-stocked with some amenities right there. Some wine, some sodas, stuff like that, beers. Those are all for extra charge from Celebrity. So just keep in mind when you use those, this is something that you probably will be charged in addition. Now, I do enjoy with Celebrity those boxes here. I call it charging box. When you open that, we have some charging station options here. We have two USB, we have two US plugs and one European. That's very convenient. You can even close doors, the whole top area here, and you can put your cables to that, so it makes everything very, very tidy. And of course, we have our makeup mirror here, or work desk, however you would like to use it, with the mirror right there. Hello, friends. Let me take you around so you can see this whole living space area is actually feeling very, very wide just because of the location of the room. Now, over here we can find the bed. Right now it's set for the king size bed. On each side of the bed we can find the nightstands. Those are those cubicles here, very cute. Night light, of course, that's very convenient. And if you wish to, of course, separate those, you can always ask your room attendant. They will do that gladly for you. Only one side actually has dedicated charging stations, and that would be the right side right here. Let me show you that. Over here we can find two USB plugs and one regular electrical US plug. That's very convenient. But there is a little trick around that. So let me show you. On this left-hand side, we have actually a nightstand with 2 shelves. But we also have this phone. This is the phone you will contact your guest relations and stuff like that. But over here on the phone, we have the USB plug. And this USB plug can actually charge your phone very well. So if you would like to use your phone for charging, you can definitely do that. Across from bed, we can find our TV. I would say this is probably around 50 inch or so, so very nice size for the size of the room. And to the left of the bed, we can also find our closet. Now let me open this one for you guys so you can see what it includes. Here we go. So first of all, every closet in Celebrity comes with 2 bathrobes. This is coming standard with every Celebrity ship. That's very nice to have. This is my carry-on, so you can see the size approximately what it is. Additional hanging space right here if on the top is not enough. Hangers, of course. And over here we have additional storage space with your safe right here. Not big enough for your laptop, but definitely big enough for your passport, personal valuables, stuff like that. You have 3 drawers right there. Let's open one of them so you can see what it is. Pretty deep. It's about so. So this is for your personal items. But this is also where you can find your full-length mirror to make yourself ready for dinner or the night out. Hello again. Now, what I do like in those rooms, and I probably mentioned this before, is the accents. And for example, right here we can find this corner, and probably not very much useful, but it's very nice to have this like very nice coral right there with light above it. It just makes it very, very, very nice and pre-lit. Let me open it for you so you can see the storage above it, because there's pretty much additional storage on top. There's this shelf right here. The white block you see there would be your router for your, the internet in your room. But over here, there's an additional door. I'll open it for you. And it exposed some additional storage. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 additional shelves. That's very nice to have. And in addition to that, we have a door right here underneath the pretty nice coral. And if we open this, we have some more storage right there. Those are the towels, the beach towels that they will provide you with. Now, with Celebrity, we have those smart thermostats. And those actually can be either controlled from your room or your Celebrity cruise ship app. And you can actually decide your temperature, whether it's going to be Fahrenheit or Celsius, depending where you're traveling from. You can actually set moods, as you see, morning and evening and movie and sleep and stuff like that. So yeah, there's a lot of options you can actually set with those thermostats. That's very, very nice. Now, next to the thermostat, this door here is your bathroom. So let's open that and see how the bathroom looks like. So this is your standard bathroom on Celebrity Beyond. It is very spacious for being basically a standard room on Celebrity. I do enjoy, of course, the art that we have right here. But yeah, that's what you have here. You have, of course, the pre-lit mirror right there. You have your sink, quite enough storage right there. But you also, across from there, have your shower. Now, the shower is actually this corner rounded shower door. And if we open that, this is your walk-in shower. With the standard rooms, those are the amenities that we get. This is the Celebrity shampoo, conditioner, shower gel, everything you need. I'm not sure what exact brand they actually use, but that's very nice to have. Handheld shower. And of course, that's where you can find your commode. Again, very spacious space for being a balcony room. Now, friends, of course, after this whole very nice room and again, this is your room, let me take you to what actually makes this whole category of rooms being what it is. And this is the Sunset Veranda. And even though there is no real sunset right now yet, I will take you to the veranda. This room actually has regular curtains, unlike most of the balconies here. So those are your blackout curtains. And let me open the door of the balcony so you can see what it's all about. So we have 2 chairs here, a coffee table, and of course 2 sound loungers as well. But if that all wasn't enough, let me show you the view. We just left the Fort Lauderdale port. Well, friends, what do you think? I think this room is very unique. This is my second time on Celebrity staying on a Sunset Veranda. Let me turn you around so you can see it again behind me. The sunset, well, no, the sun is not really seeing that. But yeah, this is very, very generous in size. I do enjoy this living space very much. I have to say that normally, and you guys know me, I prefer when my bed is closer to the balcony and you have your living spaces more towards the entrance, because this normally gives you a little bit more space when you enter. But I will have to change my opinion for this particular one room, and I will tell you why. Because the Sunset Verandas on at least Celebrity Beyonds have a little bit this more of the space, and let me turn again so you can see it. You see all this space you see behind me, it's a little bit extra addition for those rooms before you exit to your veranda. What it actually does is extending your living space if you have the sofa on the veranda end, because this whole living space becomes much, much wider. So I think that for those particular rooms, for this category, maybe you should consider the rooms that have actually your sofas closer to the balcony. I think it will give you a little bit more of the feeling of having a little bit bigger living space for during your day when you enjoy your room. But of course, as always, we have our own opinions. We all like what we like. So far, honestly, I'm very, very excited to be back here on the ship with being Celebrity Beyond and Captain Kate. Can't wait to meet them. And again, it's very, very, very nice to be here. It really feels like home away from home. But of course, if you guys have anything you would like to ask or share, or anything else you actually had with Celebrity Cruise Line, Sunset Verandas, or anything else, I'm always happy to read your comments. Thank you very much for watching. I always like your support and everything you allow me to do. You know, everything I like to do most and everything, which is traveling and sharing my life with you guys. But until the next time, thank you very much for watching. I'm your Hedge.